Oh yeah, just be careful if you go on a hard surface.
Okay.
It might be a little slippery.
Okay. Sorry. Thank you.
Uh huh. What's up, everybody? Nolan with Black Diamond Services. As you can see, we are doing commercial carpet. It is that time of the year. We are back out at RBlock in our area, getting these all prepped, as they have been reopening certain locations. We're going to be taking care of all of them in our basically our coverage area. If I'm not mistaken, it's 43 different locations, so I'm super stoked about that. This is the second one. The footage you saw earlier, if I linked it up correctly, was from a day prior, one of the locations in Stockton. That one was really in bad shape. I think they were consistently open and doing appointments and such, so it needed it. Water was next to black in color from the carpet. So this one's not so bad at all. Just I didn't get a whole lot of footage there on that one because I hadn't seen the job yet. It was a new one that we haven't done yet, because we did 13 other locations last year into the beginning of this year. And so I hadn't seen it, had no idea how big the job was going to be. Ended up being relatively big, and we still had another job later in the day in Tracy. So I got a little bit of footage of some of the bad spots, as you saw. But yeah, so we're starting the commercial leg of the year. Going to be doing a handful of these through October, and then probably jump into a bunch more in a row into the end of the year and beginning of next 2021. So I know some of you like to see certain things in videos, and right now, I'm sorry, but it is what it is. The channel is basically just showcasing and showing cleanings periodically here. Right now, Adam and I are in a groove of doing things a certain way, so it does kind of keep me from filming certain things, but I gotta look at it as a business standpoint. If I stop or rearrange things around, I am essentially losing money by spending more time doing things a different way than what is most efficient for the two of us. So I apologize, but the only time I'm going to really get video of majority of the things that you guys like to independently see is when I'm out doing a route by myself, because I can actually spend a little time doing everything. I try and build routes in a way that I have plenty of time to service a client, but also a little bit of extra time to film stuff to keep the channel active. So that's why a week or two ago, I believe, I posted that video, or two videos, I believe it was, no talking, just cleaning, vacuuming, CRB, wanding, and then I think there was one or two of them where I had the raking and everything in it too. So just because you don't see it in a video doesn't necessarily mean it hasn't been done. It's just we don't have time for me to stop doing what I'm doing to film other stuff right now. We're in a transition of growth period, which I'm very excited for. And so right now we're just super busy. I'm doing an average of 60 to 65 hours a week, so it is getting tough for me to film everything, because then I'm just making myself stay out an extra 45 minutes to an hour later if I try and spend time doing that stuff. So I apologize if something's missing and you would like seeing in my videos. But once we get a second van, if I'm out on my own doing some jobs, I'll try to incorporate some more of that content. But for right now, you guys got to bear with me. I appreciate all the support that I've had so far. I mean, we're at almost, I think, 760 or so subscribers, so thank you so much for that. And you know, I've heard that the watch rate percentage that I'm at right now, 42% of them being subscribers and the rest are non-subscribed. I heard that's a really good rate to be at. And so I thank you guys for that. A lot of you are constantly watching the content. So I can't wait to hit that 1,000 mark. One day it will happen, and it'll be all because of you guys taking the time to hit the like button, comments, and hitting the subscribe button, because whenever you guys like a video, when I get a bunch of likes, it triggers a YouTube algorithm, I guess, to show my content to more people in their recommendations, because they see that a lot of people are liking the video and that it's relevant, so it starts to pop up more. So I've been seeing the subscribers come in here and there, and it's because of that. So appreciate you guys so much for enjoying the content that I got. And as I'm talking here, if you've been noticing, kind of seeing my sight glass here at all, this carpet isn't really dirty. I don't think this one got used too much. It's been kind of closed down for the past 7 or 8 months, so they're just prepping it for reopen for the upcoming tax season and stuff, because they are usually open year-round from what I read. But yeah, this one's not too bad. It's more or less just light soil and dusty. But I wanted to update you guys on what's currently going on. We only had these 2 on the schedule, but I do have, I think, another 8 more that I need to get done by the end of October, from what my contact said. So expect to see probably some more content from this type of carpet. But like I said, when I can get into showing more of the original stuff that I was doing when I was on my own and no help, I will definitely be doing that. Well, please, for now, bear with me. I will do as much as I can, but I have to think about it as a business standpoint and just get things done, make sure I take care of my clients first. That's the only reason why there is any content, is making sure I take care of my clients first before anything else. So I thank you guys, and we're going to keep this going. I just have this pathway left to do. Just doing a little extra dry strips right here because it is a main walk path. But we're almost finished here, and then I'll have some estimates to do after this, and that will be it. So thank you guys for watching.